Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to track your orders on Meesho. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Meesho application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you download Meesho? You can get Meesho on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Meesho and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing the Meesho application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either create a new account or to install or to log in using an existing account rather. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Meesho. So now to let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to track your orders on Meesho. Let's say you placed an order and you just want to know your order status per time. This is how you can track your orders. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the bottom of your screen where you have a couple of icons representing diverse features. You have home, you have categories, you have my orders, you have help, and you have account. Go ahead and click on my orders. Now, I'll now be able to head over to the my orders window because my account is restricted. But if you have no restriction in your account and you've signed in, go ahead and click on my orders. Once you click on my orders, it takes you to a window where you have all your orders organized. So all you need to do is to click on the exact order that you want to track. And once you select the order, you're going to see an option that says track. Click on track, and once you click on track, it's going to take you to another window where you have a couple of features. Go ahead and click on open courier link. Now once you go ahead and click on open courier, all right, so once you click on open courier, it's going to take you to a window where you see all of your order status arranged, or you have all your order status organized. So let's go over the process again. Click on the my orders tab, then select the order that you want to track, click on track, then click on the open courier link. And once you do that, it's going to take you to another window where you have all of your order status organized. Right there, you're going to be able to track your order in real time. So this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.